Welcome to this grammar session. Today we will master rule number 11, an often tested concept in error spotting and sentence correction. Let's begin. A gerund is a verb ending with ing that functions as a noun. For example, reading improves focus. Jogging keeps you healthy. In both cases, reading and jogging are not actions. They are used as noun here. So it is a gerund. Whenever a gerund is used, it should be preceded by a possessive adjective like my, your, his, her, our, their. Why? Because gerund acts like a noun, and like we say my book or his idea, we must say my singing and his helping, etc. These are the examples you can look at it. I appreciate your coming on time. We enjoyed her singing. Here, coming and singing are used as a noun because they are not treated as action here. So, we need to use a possessive adjective before them, like your or her. The manager approved of his taking the lead. They disliked our staying late. He complained about making noise. Taking, staying, and making. All these are gerunds, so we need to use possessive adjectives before them. Let's test your understanding. All of these sentences follow the rule number 11 correctly. Try reading them and try to find the possessive adjective and gerund in each case. Let's quickly revise. A gerund looks like a verb but acts like a noun. Always use possessive adjective before a gerund. This is highly testable in exams, so master it. Here's a final tip. Avoid using object pronoun like me, him or them before gerunds. Instead, always use like my singing, his helping, their coming, etc. Practice well, you'll spot the error easily in the exams. Every word that is used as verb first from plus ing is not a gerund. So how to know whether it's a gerund or not? You can ask these questions from yourself. Can you replace the ing word with a noun? If yes, then it's a gerund. For example, reading improves concentration. Try replacing reading with music, which is a noun. So it becomes music improves concentration. The sentence still works. So reading is a gerund. Try to replace it with some other noun. If it is working fine, then it's a gerund. Then check whether that word is used as subject or object in the sentence. If it is used as subject or object, then also it is gerund. For example, swimming is my favorite hobby. He enjoys singing. She avoids talking to him. Singing, swimming, and talking here are gerund. Also test by checking if it follows a preposition. If yes, then it's a gerund. For example, I am interested in learning Spanish. So, in is there, which is a preposition. So, learning is a gerund. They left without saying goodbye. Saying is also followed by a preposition. So, they both are gerund. Be careful, not all ing words are gerund. For example, he is singing. Here, singing is a part of verb tense. It is not a gerund. Thank you. I hope you have understood how to identify gerund and what is this rule. So subscribe to channel for more such videos. Thank you.